Hello, alaikum. How are you all? I know it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded, but I was sick, and let me just tell you my whole story after I open this. So today I got my mail of MAXIDENT Limited version, and it took me a lot of time to get it because in Pakistan the customs, the shipment takes like forever. But it's finally here. I'm really hoping to pull Kitty Stan and Chase Sound, like the dandelion one or even the normal one, will work. And if I pull Sungmin, that would be like my purse. Like it's a good thing, but like Sungmin has been in my pulls for like the longest time, and I I only ordered a Navy version, but like the Apple Music one was Jongin, and my pulls were Monjin, Changbin. Like Changbin also comes a lot, but I like don't mind that. Like he's in my bias list, but I don't know. We have freebies. I ordered this from the Penguin Cost Tour. I'll link it down below, and also my trading account. If like I would want to trade any kind of pulls at pull, like pulls at pull. That sounds absurd, but anything. If I want to sale or if I wanna, do that. Let's pull it! Yay! So first of all, we had the freebies. We got these printed pictures of Tongan and yes, Soman. Soman looks so different. Also, I get confused about Tongan and Soman like a lot. Tongan, Soman, and gave me a hard time, but now I can now I know who is like he, but I'm still confused when like Jongin and Sungmin. Like if I see them in like phone and stuff, I can easily tell. But if I would assume them in PCs, it's really hard for me to tell the difference. I don't know. And Felix and Hyunjin, like Felix and Hyunjin are like twins. I'm like convinced that Felix and Hyunjin were like brothers from another mother, from same mother. So, or another mother. I don't know. But yeah, without any further ado, let's open it. I'm so excited to see my pool. It's a little bit, damaged or pulled here, but that's okay. That's gonna happen myself too. That's the other version. It's the Korean press. Okay, so I'm assuming all the pulls are in here. Let me take these out. I don't want to see it right now. Let's just see the poster. Oh, we got Hyunjin! It's their lyrics book. For me, the best title track was this song from all of the album was Three Raja. I guess Taste 143 is good, but I'm still learning the songs for real, so it's giving me some time. But I really think that Taste to the board and Three Raja especially is like so on top. It's a bop. I literally haven't listened to Circus that much, but I'll give it another listen. And if we talk about a song I hate, there is none, because Stray Kids is one of that group that I always expect to give their highest, and their music is always gonna be above, so I always pre-order them. Now it's a poster. Now, yay! So pretty, especially Han's curly hairs and Sungmin's, and I'm so happy. It's gonna be on my wall. I currently have the ordinary one on my wall, and the I have the red version, and blue version is coming, but that's like one of my favorite things in the world. So this is replacing it. I don't know how to store it, but I'm just gonna like, or just pull it here. Then we got a Hyunjin postcard. I think I'm gonna trade it for the Han, but we will see. Oh, I'll open these later. It's frustrating me. Then, is it empty? Or we should have one more? Alright. No, it's empty. Let's open it and see that. Oh, it's the same picture from like the aviation center, the one they formed like an egg and the like bowling pit. The amount of these stamps we are getting. This necklace is so cute. Lino, I've always been blessed with Lino stuff, and I know it's like most others top bias or alt bias. That's why I'm always up for trading or selling it. Because my heart just fixes on Hantisa or Bangchan. Changmin is also good, so I'm like it's not biasness. I don't know. And then, oh, this hat is so cute. Also, these what we call badges or pins. I want these sunglasses. I've been looking for them everywhere and they're not available except for AliExpress. And ordering from AliExpress, you can get free shipping, but then I order my stuff, they get their profit and stuff. So it costs me a lot. That's why I'm not ordering like one stuff. I order like 10 stuff at a time. Also these bags and they're this chain. This clear chain. I hope you can see it. But that's so cool. Like I want it. I want to make a chandelier out of it. I'm trying my best to get. Can I get it tattooed? That's so pretty. Whoa, I want to make a scrapbook out of that. That smile. I'm simping. Anyways, I was also gonna order their heart or the fresh version like anyone, but then I was like, I just bought like the one pick set and now I'm broke. So, and also like the astronaut and Indigo are both on the way. So I should just like buy the limited version because I wasn't able to get the Frankenstein version. Like I was like the ordinary red version was like my first book, like first album. But I didn't know how to purchase stuff. I just went to Kpop Fairy Shop and said I wanted an ordinary album. They were like okay, and they said that the pre-orders are closed, but I have an extra one I can send to you, and that's how I got it. But I was like doomed when I saw that it's not the black and green version because I was hoping for it. But then now that I think of it, I didn't order that. Like I just ordered like ordinary version. So yeah, but I can't find it now. This is so pretty. So here's a track list. Case 143, Chill, Give Me Your TMI, Superboard, 3 Rata, Taste, and these are like the subunits. 3 Rata, Taste, Can't Stop, and Circus Queen version. Or the Changbin bra. Or you can something like that. They're signing a deal or something. We got it Jungin and Han. So like thanks to's. Oh, there is Itzy mini album. I think they co-wrote that. So Itzy, Boy Story, Is You, Twice, Day 6, Snare Heroes, and Mix. I'm really liking and Mix. I think I'm gonna get their albums, but I don't know. I do not stand them, but like for now, so I think I should not, you know. But you know, the albums are gonna get expensive, like very expensive. Like if you went back to Is One, it's like hella expensive. MAXIDENT, like this is the limited version CD. Let me show you it. Yeah, I guess. So pretty. And one thing I have been noticing in like hype CDs, like they have like YG stamp over here, and I'm curious like how is YG work? But it only has JYP, Dreamers, and FLO, low, and yeah, it's so pretty. I literally listen to Ordinary in my car, like Ordinary CD in my car all the time. So I think it's gonna be the second one. And whenever I'm driving, I'm just bopping to our Maniac and Sun Lonely or Lonely Street. It's time for the polls. Oh, let's start with the sticker. Let's open it. I don't want to open it, but I can see it. I think it's like a rare one. I'm just getting that feeling. Yeah, it's Lena! I just know that I'm gonna get a trade for this, like really fast. Lena is so cute. I don't even want to trade it. But we'll see. Oh, I think I'm blocking it. But Lena, then it's like a bookmark thingy, and this is like OT8. Why do I have only one photo card? Oh, here's it. Yeah, so we got this alaikum. I'm gonna store it in my binder and never use it as my bookmark. I'm gonna set my binder in like January, so stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be a long, huge ass video inspired by variety. So yeah. But let's go to this. It's Felix! Wow! It's my first Felix pull. Damn. Damn this her. Damn this flower. It's so pretty. Let's open this. These are gonna be my last. I don't wanna. I think it's Lena. It's hot. I was praying to pull Han. Hanji-san Polaroid in the limited version. But these are like the same book. Hanji-san came on my house. Came my home, my bro. Hanji-san with their fist, like you thingy. It's so cute. I've been blessed. I like please have Bangtan and Han. Like please. Or it's like from the T version, it's from the like heart version. But like why don't they have the limited versions? And I didn't get a POV. Or these were the POVs, no? I don't know. Yeah, these were the POVs. So 1, 2, 3. Who are they? My eyes are closed. My eyes are freaking closed. I'm so sorry, but Han and Bangtan. What? We didn't get the titties on, but we got a selfie on. On my way to purchase it, and we got this heart one. I'm so freaking excited because these are my favorites. Like this one, I wasn't hoping to pull it. I was hoping to pull the like dandelion one because this one is like super rare to pull. But oh my freaking holy shit! Did I just pull the, the most weird stuff in this earth? Like, am I seriously lucky? I still have to buy the titties one. Mine's so focused on titties. But it's so pretty, so I don't know. That was it for today's unboxing. I don't wanna I'm just overwhelmed, but let me go on Instagram and look for my favorite folder and like I don't know what to say, so let's just end the video here. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please comment down below and share it to others so that I can have money to buy other albums, you know, and subscribe too. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video and unboxing. I have my proof unboxing on the way, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys. Bye.